Welcome back to another video. So tomorrow is PFI Speed Fest, so I'm getting really busy trying to get everything ready. We got the car is still ready. She's not much changed since the testing tune we went to a couple weeks ago, so she's just been ready. However, I am redoing these end caps right here for the vortex generators, just because those ones didn't fit quite right. And also been looking into doing some research on those, and I had a forward swept little wing at a really steep angle before, and forward swept wings, learned this from NASA's X-29 forward swept. I don't know if you guys remember that fighter jet they did a long time ago with the wings that pointed forward. They did that to have higher angle of attack without stalling or causing as much drag. I thought it was a great idea to use those for the vortex generators, because I could put them really steep and still not have them cause a lot of drag or stall out on me. But problem with the forward swept wing is, I mean, it's really good for an airplane. The problem with the forward swept wing, it's not a problem for airplanes, but it tends to neutralize a whole lot of wingtip vortices. Really awesome for an airplane, but you know, not an airplane. I'm not trying to make downforce or anything like that. I'm actually just trying to create as strong as a vortex as possible going down the side of the car, help eliminate some of the drag on the side of the car. So I have redone them. Right now I got some clear coat on this one, curing up. It's looking actually pretty good. This one is already done right here, and I did a rear swept wing with not as much of a down angle on it. So that should create a stronger vortice with less drag. So hopefully that'll work out. Plus, it just fits a whole lot better. The other ones weren't quite perfect. These ones match up like very nicely. Just had to change the arch on it a little bit. But I'm just waiting on these guys to cure up so I can put threads in them. Also, my ECU has an issue where the internal data logger won't delete its memory, and the data logger is full, so I cannot do any kind of data logging on my ECU. We actually have to have the laptop hooked up to it, but you can't have a loose object in the car. So what I've done, I've welded up this laptop bracket right here that I've bolted down to this passenger side seat bracket, and it's pretty simple. All I got to do, let me loosen this. Just lift this up right here, and this laptop can come right out. So, getting that all squared away. Alright, so now I can't get any crap from the tech guys about having a loose object inside my car. So, now we'll be able to data log, and so if anything goes wrong, or if I think anything's not quite right, we can just pull it up on the data log right here. I just got to be able to reach over, press F6 to start data logging, F7 to stop data logging in the AEM software. So, yeah, I've been pretty busy getting all the tools organized and everything, trying to figure out what we need to take with us, what can stay here. Bought some more crescent wrenches just because, and just, you know, like I said, just getting all the tools organized. But we also got Mike's engine all together. She is turning smooth as butter. Actually, we didn't do anything. I mean, I didn't do anything. That was all Mike, 100%. So he did that while I was working, or he did that while I was at work. But Mike's engine is about ready to go. Probably next week we're going to be pulling his car in here, putting this motor in, and he can actually get himself back in the saddle again, because he's been dying to be able to drive a boosted car. So I am just, like I said, waiting on this paint to dry just a little bit more. Might do another coat on this one, but I just got to put a tap down in those holes there to put some threads in them. This stuff actually holds threads pretty good. They didn't come off at the track at the test and tune on the other design, and they actually had more drag. So hopefully that'll be good, and those things won't rip off when I'm doing like 120 miles an hour. Like I said, tomorrow's PFI Speed Fest. We're all signed up. I am still in the 11.5 class, so this is turned down all the way. She's going to be at 4 or 5 pounds of boost, not much. When I was at the track at the test and tune, She did an 11.1 on 5 pounds of boost, so I'm gonna have to let off a little early before I cross the finish line, just to keep from breaking out. But she's also doing a 1.6 60-foot at 5 pounds of boost, so that should launch out on just about everybody. So I'm hoping we can do pretty good in the standings. Like I said, car's 100% ready to go. I need to reset the shift light on the tack, because she was lighting up a little bit early. I don't know if you saw that whenever I was racing at the test and tune. It was just lighting up, you know, probably about 7,000 RPM. I need to turn that up a little bit, and hopefully I don't go too fast. But I'm gonna keep on working on these vortex generators here, get them all put on, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, got them all put on. Check that out. These actually came out really nice with the clear coat and everything. I'm actually kind of happy about that. Went ahead and put some adhesive sealant in between, right where the cap meets the car, because this one for some reason wasn't quite all the way down on it, but that one fits perfectly over there. So I just wanted to put some adhesive seal in there, just keep the air from getting underneath there and ripping this thing off. But we're almost ready to go. Our buddy Alan's going to be down here in a little bit. We're going to load up the car, and whew, she's looking good. There we go. Shut that. Oh yeah, looking good. We'll see how it works. But still waiting on Ryan to get down here. Oh, it's really windy and it's really hot. But yeah, waiting on Ryan to get down here. He's going to take some of my old E85. We're going to put it in his car just so I can go get some fresh stuff to take to the track. And yeah, we're chugging along. We're going to get it ready. All right, guys, she is on the trailer. Got her all loaded up. Got all the stuff loaded up. All right. Get one last look over before we go. Make sure everything's good. Thought I saw, might have seen a spot of oil under the car. We're gonna check it. That looks all right. Yep. So it's gonna be a nice little short video, but good one. So we'll be at PFI Speed Fest tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get this video uploaded tonight. PFI Speed Fest tomorrow. I'm in the 11.5 bracket. We're gonna try not to go too fast. At the track last time, she was doing 11.1 on the lowest boost setting, which is like 5 pounds. So we're gonna just try to keep it there. I might have to hit the brakes a little bit before the end of the track. Just have to dial it in, but wish us luck.